Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. One of my subscriber asked request how to make signal line diagram in Revit. So actually it is very easy, but there is two way to make a single line diagram. So let's go for the new. I will go with metric discipline and okay. And I like to work in metric because I'm used to work here metric. If you want to go imperial, you can go for the imperial. There is no issue. So here we have some default templates. So here we will go to the view and we can do that single line diagram in legend. So if you go legend, we can do that one. Otherwise, you can go for the drafting view also. You can go, but better go to the legend because we have scale here. Let's go. Okay, let's say 1 to 1 or 1 to whatever scale you want. Okay. So what is the difference between drafting view? So if you go drafting view, also same. Okay. So this one you can make SLD. If you make okay, you will see here drafting view. Here see drafting view SLD. So if you double click, it's coming here. And if you go with the legend, it's your choice. It will be under the legend. So most of the project I have seen, they are using legend. Okay, it's your choice. So if you go in the legend, you will see many symbols here. These also symbols. But you will not see every template like this. So this is I use AutoCAD Autodesk 2025.2. But these legends are came with the templates. So if you take other template, you will not see. So forget about this. Okay. Now we have here one legend. Rename. Right click rename. We will go etc. also. So when you go to the view, let's take a sheet and A1 metric sheet. I will go A1 metric sheet. Okay. You can drop SLD like this. The viewer cannot be empty view, so you have to draw something. So in the legend, let's go for the architecture. No, not architecture, annotation. Into it and detail line. I will put just one circle for now. Okay. So I drag here. So it's coming. So let's go for the drafting view. Where is this drafting? Okay, here. Okay. So let's say we are annotation, okay, annotation, detail line. Let's row box. Okay. Then I will go for the sheet and drag and drop. Okay. Now I will go for another view, another sheet. Metric. Okay. So now we can why I am showing some because some SLD will repeat in the multiple sheet. Okay, so I will copy this one. Just Control C. Let's go with the legend first. Control C and Control V. So it will simply it will copy. Okay, you see here the same legend. But if you go to the legend, it will be not duplicate, same one only. Okay, so let's drafting view, copy. Some element we are not copy cannot copy element. Cancel. Control V. See, you cannot repeat it in the drafting view. Okay. The drafting view you cannot copy, but legend you can copy. So your choice. When you are making SLD, if you want to in multiple sheet, better you go with the legend instead of drafting view. But both are will do same work. I hope you understand. So let's close this too. So for currently, I'm going with the legend. So here we have two things. Okay, we can draw the SLD diagram directly in the CAD and we can import it. Example, if you go to the any AutoCAD file, if you know AutoCAD, no problem. If you don't know, so you can go directly with the Revit. This is also one of the easiest way because most of the SLD single line diagram you will receive in the CAD. So you can directly import into the directly you can import to the Revit. So let's see, I have any SLD diagram or not. E- mm, okay, I found one SLD diagram here. So I don't need to open in CAD, just copy this. I will just put it in the desktop so I can easy to find it. Right click desktop. Okay, it is here. So I will go to Revit and here you can go insert import CAD desktop. Simply you can open it. You can you don't need to do anything here because it's a single line diagram. If you want to adjust anything, you can adjust here. So let's open. Some element we lost during the import. Okay. So you will see the single line diagram. It's ready. You just click it and you can explode the CAD here. Explode. No problem. See this one? You can edit if you want. So this is a border. Issue edit type. Border offset you can make 0. Okay. This whole border issue you can make 0. Okay. So it will fix. You can edit also if you want. You can type anything. So this is a one of way making single line diagram importing from directly. Okay. Another way you have to draw one by one. Okay, even the text. So I need this. I will delete this. I need this symbol. I will show you something. Okay, I will draw better. Now I will delete this everything. Okay, this is one of way you can import directly from CAD and you have to adjust everything. Another thing you can do directly. So you can go for the annotation. This is the detail line or DL. You can draw manually all the things like this one and everything from annotation. And this is fill region. Okay. So here you can choose the color, everything. Okay, I didn't choose solid pattern. Fill pattern here. Okay. There's a double type pattern in here also. I have a pattern. So here I don't need it. So here also we can choose to red because I changed the pattern here. So and the detail line again. Here you have everything. Draw the line. You can make a many line style going from here. No, from go to manage additional setting. Here you have line style. You can make your own line style here if you want. Okay. So do the rest. You can draw by using here. All from the annotate. Okay. This detail line. You can do everything whatever you. So this is one of way. Another way, this is now just we draw this one. So we can this make this one as a group and copy, copy, copy like that. And there also another way you have to create a symbol. This is symbol. Okay. So you will go file, new, annotation symbol. So you can go with the generic annotation. Open. So you will delete this one. You will do the same, but it will work like a block, you know. So detail line, box. Yeah. But the best thing if you make a symbol, you can do some parameter thing also if you want. Okay. Here also you have a field region. Okay, load into project. For now, I don't want to save. Okay. So you have to adjust the size. So this is I directly draw. This is this from symbol. The best thing in the symbol, you can do some parameter things. The edit type or something like this, you can work with the parameters. Okay. And you can do the rest, the line, whatever you want symbol. If you go to the AutoCAD in the SLD, you have see this one, this DB, you have to create one symbol, this one symbol, this one symbol, and save it in one folder. You can import and draw one by one. Otherwise, you can draw directly from the annotations. You have everything. So what is the parameter thing? Just click edit family or double click. Uh, let's create. No, in the symbol you cannot do parameter things. I hope so. 1 minute. I'm confused. Yeah, you can do some parameter things. Let's go with okay. Insert create. Yeah, label. So this is parameter things. New parameter. You can go with what we can go. Okay, DB name. We'll go with the text instance. Okay, so you can click this. Okay, and let's make this one little smaller. This one smaller. Let's say this one. Okay, this name is here. Create field region. Okay, load into project. No. See, you can have some typing things. Oh, maybe I did some type issues. Edit label. Okay, this one. I go to here. This one. Edit. Okay, I choose length. So no length. Delete it again. Create label. Okay. New. DB name. I have to choose text here. Also text instance. Okay. Okay. DB name one. Put it. Okay. Load into project. No. All right. So you can type something like this. Okay. So this is the benefit from the symbol. You can play with the parameter. So still length also available. Okay, anyhow you can play with the parameter. So mainly SLD you can make in three way. One you can import from directly CAD. Another one you can just draw it from the annotations. Another thing, make multiple symbol, keep it in one folder, and whenever you want you import. So the best thing is creating symbol because you can play with the parameters and whenever you want you can download it. And also it's very fast because drawing from the CAD and importing here, you will have mostly CAD when you're importing text issues, size issues, everything. So better to draw directly in the Revit, creating by multiple symbols. You can create many symbols as you want and play with parameter. I hope you understand very well. And the layout, the SLD, single line diagram, better do with the legend. So if you want to copy in the multiple sheet, you can copy it. But if you go with the drafting view, it will be very difficult. And I hope and you understand. Inshallah, next video we will meet again. And sorry for the late videos because these days I am very busy with my work. And I will answer all your comments when I am getting free by video or by words. And give me little time. So until next video, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.